In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero bank accounts, how to use cache coding to reconcile your bank accounts faster in Xero. 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open Xero and sign in. On the login page, click Login, enter your email and password, and select Login again. If you're prompted for extra verification, follow the prompts, then you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, find your bank account panel and choose Reconcile items. This takes you to the reconciliation area. Now switch to the cache coding tab. Cache coding is designed for speed. It lets you quickly code lots of similar bank lines at once instead of handling them one by one. To make this efficient, start by sorting your bank lines so similar transactions sit together. You can sort by description to group identical references like monthly subscriptions or utilities, or sort by payee to group spend and receive items from the same vendor or customer. Use whichever view gives you the cleanest groupings. Next, select all the transactions that truly belong together. Tick the checkboxes for the items you want to process in bulk. Take a quick glance at dates and amounts to ensure nothing unusual is included. Cache coding works best for simple repetitive items such as regular fees, interest, fuel, or standard supplier payments. With your group selected, choose the correct account code from your chart of accounts. Pick the code that best reflects the nature of the spend or receive, such as utilities, bank fees, or sales. Accurate coding keeps your reports clean and saves time later. If your organization uses tracking categories or specific notes, you can apply those consistently here so everything is labeled the same way. When you're confident with the selection and the account code, click Save and Reconcile Selected. Xero will create the necessary transactions and mark those bank lines as reconciled in one batch, rather than making you repeat the same steps over and over. If a confirmation prompt appears, click OK to finalize the action. A couple of quick tips as you work: keep an eye out for exceptions that don't match the group. Deselect anything that looks off before you reconcile. It's also smart to review your results on the bank reconciliation summary to confirm balances are moving the way you expect. And remember, cache coding is perfect for volume and consistency. For complex items that need attachments, splits, or matching to invoices and bills, switch back to the standard reconcile screen. That's it. By sorting, selecting, coding, and saving in bulk, you'll dramatically speed up your bank reconciliations in Xero while keeping your accounts accurate.